Hey y'all, it's your girl Monica and welcome to Off Duty with Mo. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy videos on fashion, travel, and lifestyle, then go ahead and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? How you doing? So today's video is going to be a pretty fun video. I want to show you guys some of the items that I consider to be travel essentials. All of these items I got from Amazon. So I'm thinking of starting a series where I get some travel essentials from Amazon and kind of show it to you guys to kind of help make, packing for travel a little bit easier and, doing things while you're out and about a little bit easier. If you are new here, I am living in Germany right now. I am in the military and I'm stationed here. So I have the opportunity to do a lot of traveling. I do consider myself to be a somewhat experienced traveler. So some of these essentials I feel like are really good and going to be pretty helpful, especially if you're traveling Europe. There are a lot of things to consider. The ones that I'm going to be showing today are kind of basic, pretty standard, but helpful nonetheless. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so the first item that I want to show is this undergarment case. This is pretty cute. It's shaped like a bra, so it's no confusion about what goes in here. For me personally, I feel like having something separate to put your undergarments in, is just, really nice. It feels kind of awkward to just throw them in your suitcase with your other clothing. So I thought this was really cute. And it's very compact. It's a nice size. It's perfect, for all different types of bra sizes. And it also has a compartment right here where you can actually slip your panties into. So you can put all of them together in one place. It's not really big, so I feel like you might be able to put maybe about 4 or 5 bras in here without having any issues actually closing it. And you can definitely put, a good amount of panties in here. So if you're taking even, a long trip and you have to pack several bras and panties, this will be perfect for that. And it fits perfectly in just about any size suitcase. Even if you're taking just a book bag with you, having a small item like this to kind of just put all your undergarments in is perfect. This fits into my book bag that I take when I'm traveling. It's not very big, so this is perfect. The next item that I want to show is this toiletry bag. This is amazing. So you have one place to put all of your toiletries, any type of makeup that you may be taking, any type of hair care product, all of that can fit in here. This bag has so many different compartments. And what's also really nice about it is that it has a hook right here so you can hang it in the bathroom when you need to use it. And it has so many different compartments, like I was saying. Even on the inside there is several different pockets on the side. There's spaces right here on the side and another compartment right here, here. This is really amazing. So you can literally slip so much into this one small little bag. And again, this is small enough to fit into a small suitcase. It's also small enough to fit into a book bag. And you can put everything in here that you need. You can even put, a nice small mirror in here if you want. But your body wash, lotion, deodorant, makeup, hair care product, a flat iron can fit in here. The only thing that probably can't fit in here is a blow dryer. But this is perfect. And what's really cool about this, they actually have it in a bigger size if you want it in a bigger size. And they also have several different colors on Amazon. This one that I got, I believe, is the medium size. I think they have one that's smaller than this as well, but this one is perfect. Okay, so we're gonna keep on with packing items. This is a laundry bag. Now, you don't have to front, just go ahead and keep it real. We know that when a lot of us travel and we wear our clothes, we just fold them and tuck them, in a small little space in our suitcase. Some of us probably don't carry a laundry bag, but I have recently, in the past probably like year and a half, started to carry one. Sometimes your clothes will get extremely dirty depending on the activities that you're doing. And also, sometimes if you're going like to the beach and you have, items that get sandy and you may not be able to get all of the sand off of it, having something like this is perfect to be able to carry your dirty clothes back in, especially if the hotel that you stay in or wherever you stay doesn't have, you know, like a laundry room, you know, for you to be able to wash your clothes, if that's something that's just not available. So this is perfect. It's actually quite roomy. It's a bag. It's about this big. And this is perfect to put any of your dirty clothes in, and then you would just close it and you can you know, put it back in your bag. This is really useful to use even if you don't use it for like dirty clothes. You can also put shoes in here as well. I know that there are some of those, like those plastic bags that you can put shoes in, but if you don't want to have too many different things going on in your suitcase, this is an item that you can put shoes in as well. You can also put in here maybe any items that you feel like have spilled. I know sometimes when I go on vacation, if I break something and I still want to take it with me, I can put it in something like this to transport it back if I don't want it spilling all over my other clothes, things like that. So yeah, keep a nice laundry bag to keep your dirty clothes separate from your clean clothes. Let's just do it right. Okay, so keeping with packing, this item is definitely an essential. This is a purse insert. This is just so perfect. For me personally, I use this for my carry-on bag. I have a Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 and this fits perfectly in there, and I use that as my carry-on, and I'm able to fit so much in there, but I like to keep a lot of things separate. This is perfect for that. I'm going to show you all the compartments that it has. It has a pocket here, here, then you have this section. You also have a middle part. You have this section here and these pockets here on the side. And you also have pockets on the outside. This is great to use. Like, I put everything in here. My passport, cell phone chargers, chargeable batteries, everything that I can fit in here goes in here. And this is perfect instead of just throwing it all down in the bag. I'm already not too much of a fan of, you know, extremely large purses because I just feel like there's no structure to it. And sometimes, you know, if you just throw things in there, it can get lost. Well, I mean, it won't get lost, but it just takes too long trying to find it. Like, I don't have time for that. So this fits perfectly into my Speedy 30, and I'm gonna show you. So here's my Speedy. I love this bag so much. And then this just goes right on in, and then it just sits inside of the bag, and then you can place everything, you know, where you want to. This is perfect. If you have a bigger Speedy or even maybe a different type of bag, there are different size inserts on Amazon. They also have different colors. I opted for the brown. I think they have black. I've seen pink. I've even seen red. Red will be like really nice, but they do have bigger sizes for bigger purses. And on the website, it'll be easy to choose. You don't have to really, you know, try to guess what size to get, because they have annotations on what insert will actually fit into what particular bag, you know, or not even just the bag, just the size of bag in general. But I'm telling you, like, an insert for your purse so that you easily can just reach in, boom, I got my passport, boom, I got my hand sanitizer, boom, I just got everything I need, lip balm, whatever I need right there. So yeah, I even use this when I'm not traveling. If I'm carrying this around, it's just easy to put the insert inside of there and be able to find anything I need. So for me personally, this works very good because I like to carry notebooks with me. One of them I'm actually going to show you, and pens so that I can write things down. So this actually works great. So make sure you get you a purse insert. Good travel essential. Okay, so the next couple items that I'm going to show are more so for when you're actually at your destination, maybe in your hotel room. The first item that I'm going to show are these slippers. You definitely want a nice, comfortable pair of slippers. Maybe it's just me, but walking barefoot in a hotel, I don't know, I don't know, but I just feel like you should have a nice, comfortable pair of slippers when you're traveling. Something easy to, you know, just slip in when you're walking around your room. And there are still several hotels out there that have carpet flooring. I don't know, I just don't feel right walking on carpet floors in a hotel. So I like to carry a pair of slippers with me when I go. These are Jessica Simpson slippers. They were not expensive, they're easy, and they feel so good on the feet. So nice. So yes, a nice comfy pair of slippers for when you're walking around the hotel. And I know we're seeing, you know, a lot of pink and stuff, but they do have other colors of these slippers, so you don't have to get the pink. And of course they have a good amount of sizes as well. I really like these. They really do feel so nice. This next item I feel like is definitely something I would consider an essential if you're traveling a lot in Europe. And if you've traveled a lot in Europe, then you know where I'm coming from with this one. So this is a travel iron. It's very small, it's compact, and here's the small little water tube. This comes in handy so much. I have been to so many hotels or even like an Airbnb where they don't have an iron in the room. Let me be specific. They don't have an iron in the room. I have had to go to the hotel desk, you know, the customer service, and say, hey, do you have an iron I can borrow? Just to, you know, iron out any of the, you know, little travel wrinkles that your clothes may have. And this is perfect because it's so small. Like, look, like it's about as big as my hand. So like that is so perfect. And the handle actually contracts, so it will lay flat in your suitcase. It will lay flat just like that. And then you can just, you know, stick that in your bag. Once again, this can fit in a book bag as well. Yeah, I've been to like a lot of different hotels in Europe, and I don't know what it is. They just don't have an iron, and I can't be walking around with wrinkly clothes, you know what I'm saying? So a travel iron is perfect. You know, just mainly for convenience. When I went to Paris with my husband, the hotel that we were at, they didn't have an iron in the room, so he had to go downstairs like every morning to borrow the iron, and then we have to make sure we return it. So if you bring your own, you will always be set. So yes, a nice travel iron. Okay, so the last item that I have is a travel journal. I feel like it's a lost art, you know, actually taking time to write things down. So in a travel journal, what I think are some very, you know, kind of helpful tidbits to kind of note are, you know, maybe your itinerary, how you felt during a trip, you know, actually, you know, something to create, you know, a nice memory for yourself. Also, what's helpful is writing down events in a particular area, the weather during the time of year that you go. Like, let's say you plan a second trip to go somewhere and you go one year in March and it rained the whole time. You won't really have to second guess, you know, about the weather because you wrote it in your travel journal. I just find that actually documenting everything from a vacation actually, you know, serves a good purpose for when I'm trying to do something at a later date. And also having a travel journal helps you share your experience with other people. Let's say maybe you're a blogger and you know, want to actually document your trips. Having an actual journal where you write everything down is perfect, you know, to be able to share your experiences with other people. And once again, you know, it just creates great memories. It doesn't necessarily have to just be things you write down. You can even, you know, put pictures in it from your vacations and trips that you take, and, you know, kind of have, you know, maybe just like a mini photo album. Something, you know, just as a nice keepsake besides just having things in your phone. All right, so that is all of the items that I have right now that I got from Amazon. I really hope this video was helpful, and hopefully I introduced you to a few new things that you can add to your travel essential list as, you know, things start to kind of lighten up with the current restrictions that the world has right now. Hopefully a lot of us will be able to get out there and explore more of the world, and, you know, having a couple of these essentials will definitely help prepare you for, you know, your travel journeys and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.